Hi Paul, do you have a few minutes to chat about starting my career in software engineering?
Absolutely, Neha. What can I help you with today?
I'm looking for ways to jumpstart my career and make the transition from school to the professional world smoother. Are there any shortcuts or tips you can share to help me get started quickly?
Sure, I can share a few tips that might help you get a head start. One of the first things I'd recommend is building a strong portfolio. Have you worked on any projects that you can showcase?
Yes, I have a few projects from my coursework and a couple of personal projects.
Great! Make sure those projects are well documented and hosted on a platform like GitHub. Having a portfolio that demonstrates your skills and the technologies you've worked with can make a big difference when applying for jobs.
I've started a GitHub account, but I'm not sure if it's organized well. Any advice on that?
Make sure each project has a clear README file that explains what the project is, how to set it up, and any other relevant details. Use a clean and consistent structure for your repositories, and include screenshots or demos if possible. This makes it easier for potential employers to understand your work.
Got it. I'll work on that. What else can I do to stand out?
Networking is key. Connect with professionals in the industry through LinkedIn, attend local tech meetups, and participate in online forums or communities like Stack Overflow or Reddit. Building relationships can lead to job opportunities and valuable advice.
I've joined LinkedIn but haven't been very active. How should I start?
Start by updating your profile to reflect your skills, projects, and any relevant experience. Then, join groups related to software engineering and start engaging with posts by liking, commenting, and sharing your insights. You can also reach out to professionals for informational interviews to learn more about their career paths.
That's really helpful. Are there any specific skills or tools I should focus on learning to improve my chances?
Focus on mastering the fundamentals of programming languages that are in demand, like Python, Java, or JavaScript. Also, get comfortable with version control systems like Git, and familiarize yourself with agile methodologies. Having experience with cloud platforms like AWS or Azure can also be a big plus.
I've learned Python and a bit of JavaScript in school. Should I focus on getting certifications?
Certifications can be helpful, but they're not always necessary. Practical experience and a solid understanding of the concepts are more important. If you find certifications that align with your career goals and they're recognized in the industry, they can certainly add value.
That makes sense. One last question. How can I make my job applications stand out?
Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job you apply to. Highlight the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the job description. Use keywords from the job posting to pass through applicant tracking systems. Also, follow up on your applications to show your interest.
Thank you so much, Paul. This has been really insightful. I feel more confident about taking the next steps.
You're welcome, Neha. Best of luck with your job search. Don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions.
I will. Thanks again, Paul.